So hey guys, how you doing? This is Brandon. So today we're gonna go to one of the remote camp spot. It's supposed to be secluded. We're gonna go check. But first, we're gonna do is I'm gonna go get some. Go to supermarket real quick and grab a couple of steak. And once get that done, we're gonna head out to a camp spot. So let's go. Alright, had to stop, get some gas real quick. Alright, on the way. Okay, here we are. I'll go do a little shopping. Here we go. Follow me. Let's go shopping. That looks good right there. Take that one. See what we got. Let's see. Top sirloin. Yeah. Italian sausage. Yes, no, yes.
Place your item in the bagging area. If you have your shopper's card, scan it now.
Oh man, that is terrible. I was crying right now. It hurts so bad.
ID check required. Help is on the way. Help is on the way.
I didn't know if you were bad.
Whew. So just got done shopping. Now we're ready to go. Let's see where I'm going. Enter my coordinates. Okay. All right. Okay, here we go. So, we're ready to roll. Let's go. Whew. I do not like to go shopping. It's a cluster in there. Boy. Yep. But must be done. All right. Okay. Which way are we heading? Here's a closer look at that mountain's view. I'm surrounded by mountains. It's funny. Mountains. Yep, we're definitely going to the deep woods. Woohoo! That looks steep down there. Man. Looks gorgeous. This is a good Sunday drive. Down the mountains. Okay, I don't know what's going on up there. Maybe a wreck or something. But this traffic ain't moving. It is stopping. Well, it might be here a while, I guess. Alright guys, looks like we're moving again. Woo, that was lost about 30 minutes of drive time right there. But alright, we're moving slowly. So I'm not too far out. Oh man, look at all the traffic. This is insane. Absolutely insane. Oh my goodness. I see. This is why I go camping on Sunday. See that? Because people are leaving. People are going home on Sunday. But I'm going to camping on Sunday. See?
In a quarter mile, turn left onto Henderson Mine Road, Jones Pass Road.
I will, thank you. Okay, we're getting close, folks. We're getting close. Left turn here and won't be long. Oh man, it's already snowing up here. It's so cold up here too. I think I'm ready. Okay. I see. Going to the road. Oh yeah, this is awesome. Oh wow. Get that snow on the ground. This is a good drive up here. All right, beautiful views. Absolutely beautiful. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh nice. Oh yeah, there we go. Here we go. Yep. This is great. Nobody's here except me. That's why I come out here on Sunday. Beautiful. Beautiful creek right here. Hopefully it don't snow here or ice tonight. Be able to get out a couple of days. Oh nice. Snow on the ground. Look at the drive. Sweet. There we go. Hey guys, how you doing? So well, I came up here and was gonna go up about a mile up this area mountains, but I'm gonna turn this camera around. As you can see that there's some it's a pretty deep drop right here. I don't know, I'm pretty sure that my SUV can make it up there. I don't want to get a chance, you know, take a chance of getting stuck up there. So I'm gonna go ahead and camp right over here tonight. So so guys, I had a change of plan. So I'm gonna go a little bit further up there, right by the reservoir or lake. That was my intention. So guys, there you have it. On the snow, snow change, I'll call it, secure. This side, let's go check the other side. There it is. So, yep. All right, now we're ready to go that direction. Let's go. So the snow chain was a great idea. It's a good thing that I've bought it and had with me, and gives me a little bit of assuring that be able to climb up this this hill here. So as you can see, I don't have any problem climbing up here. So we'll go ahead and proceed on. right, so we made it through that. That was a piece of cake. All right, now we're gonna keep on going just a little bit further. This view's right here. Wow, it's absolutely gorgeous. It's gorgeous views. Okay. Woohoo. Well, this pilot handled pretty well here. It's being all-wheel drive, but you know, this is pretty impressive. All right, we're getting closer. Oh man, it's about at least I'll say 5 inches of snow right now. Oh yeah, nice. It's absolutely pretty up here. This view is definitely to die for. Knock on wood, right? But man, it's also a fun drive. Hey guys, how you doing? So I made it to the top of the mountains. I think this is as far as I can go. We're about man, I think we're about close to 10,000 feet. Oh yeah, we're definitely up high up here. And then so I'm gonna walk you around a little bit before I set up my camp for tonight. And, so I'm gonna show you guys around here. So I'm gonna turn this around so you guys see that. Man, whew. Yeah, it's absolutely, that is beautiful, man. We're way up here. It's definitely off grid, so just back the views and that right there. So I said I'm gonna go ahead and get my camp ready. So hopefully it's not snowing anymore. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my camp set up and get a fire going, and then hopefully there's still some sunlight. All right, setting up my cushion for tonight. Okay, here we go. Okay, blanket there. So there you go. So this is how I set up my bed. I'm gonna make this tonight, ramen noodles. See, there's still plenty of room right over here. So we're gonna walk around. I'll walk around on the other side. So I'm gonna show you some of the things that you need if you ever come up here. Basically, if you're trying to live off grid, try to make it through a few days or so. So I've got this portable power right there. This is actually a really good product right here. I use this a lot, and it's pretty much gonna run for a couple of days. And I have this as backup Marlboro, so if I ever run out of battery, I can always charge it with my solar panel. And this is always a backup. And if it ever gets too cold tonight, so I've got this My Heat. This is actually pretty cool. You can see the inside. I got my bed right there. That's where I'm going to be sleeping. Shut the door. I'm going to walk around this here. Man, this view is crazy, huh? Look at that view. Man, can you imagine trying to climb up that right there? That. Or even that. I don't know if you can see that one, but that's crazy. Yep. Look at that view behind me. Look at that big mountains over there. I'm surrounded by mountains. What do you call me? I'm a mountain man. Mountain man. I'm a mountain man. Right? So, okay. We'll walk around here on the other side. So, oh yeah. It's pretty cool. I got my beer. Beer is getting cool. Cool right now. Be ready. A little bit. So, got it set up back here. Got my fishing pole. So hopefully tomorrow we're gonna go down to a lake over here, go fishing. And I'm gonna be sitting right there. And I got my fire pit ready. So enough woods for tonight. That should last me for tonight. So that's pretty much it for solo camping tour. I'm not sure about the weather here. I know you can see it. The clouds moving in. Maybe we might get snow. Hey guys, how you doing again? This is Brandon. So I'm just sitting out here and relaxing for a little bit. And got to mention this is actually my first winter camping. Yeah. So just gonna see how it goes tonight. Man, I'm not quite sure. I'm listening to the weather, but I think it might be snowing later on tonight. I might get something. So this ought to be fun. Interesting. So like I said, this is my first winter camping, and then I'm loving it, man. I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying every bit of it now. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this fire going right now. It's getting pretty cold. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like I said, I got wool jacket on right now, and then a couple sweaters, 2 pair of socks, and man, pretty cold though. It's one thing for sure though. Next time if I do decided to come up here again, which I think sometime, in a couple of weeks, so definitely gonna bring my snow boots and coverall, man, because man, I tell you what, it's pretty chilly. That mountain right there is super awesome. Can you imagine trying to go sledding right there? No, I can't imagine that, but yeah, I know. Looks beautiful. Beautiful. I'm gonna turn this around here a little bit so you can see on this side. Wow, look at that one. I don't know if you can see that one. See my finger? Way up there. That is really, really high. So if I make you guys dizzy, sorry. It's this GoPro's fault. Made me do it. Check that out. So man, just sitting out here and enjoying the campfire, trying to stay warm. Look out here, and this is definitely off grid. Yep, there's nobody around. This is what camping is all about, guys. I enjoy I enjoy being out here. I enjoy being out alone camping. You know, just me and whatever's out there. You know, but the weather is just absolutely awesome. I mean, I love the winter camping. One of my favorites. You know, winter camping. Can't get any better than this, man. So it's so quiet out here, so peaceful. I don't hear anything. No traffic, nothing at all. Just me and this campfire. And man, this is it's truly a blessing to be out here. You know, I absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. So there it is. It's boiling. Oh yeah, look at that. Stir it up a little bit. Get that mix real good. All right. I think it's time for us to add some of that, some of the noodles. Let's go ahead and throw that noodles in there. There you go. Stir this a little bit. Let it soak in there, hot water. Real good, okay. So we're gonna add that seasoning that came with the package, okay? So there's that one of the seasoning. Yeah. And a little bit of this seasoning too. Alright. This is camp food, man. It's awesome. On a cold night. Yeah. Can't go wrong with this. Absolutely awesome. So we're gonna let it simmer a little bit. Let it noodles soak up all that juice, and I'm gonna eat it. Yes, I'm gonna eat it out here in the cold night. Me, myself, and I gonna eat that. All right, we're gonna soften up a little bit and go ahead and yeah, look at that. I mean, I like this noodles. This is one of my favorite right here. One of the good noodles. There's nothing better meal than to cook out here ramen noodles and soup in a freaking ice cold night. Yeah, man, that is awesome. Look at that. I smell it. All right, look at that. Oh man, that is delicious soup right there. Okay, so go ahead and take that out. I'm gonna set that aside, let it cool down for a little bit before I can eat it. Gotta find a good spot to sit it though, man. Okay, how about right here? All right, that seemed to be a good spot right there. Okay, so we're gonna let this sit there and cool down just a little bit before I can go ahead and enjoy it. Yep. So, yep, this fire is going good. I'm actually getting burned up right now. All right. So, my noodles is ready. So you can see, unfortunately, I don't have a pot. I forgot a pot or bowl. So, that being said, I'm gonna eat it right here on this pan. Yep. And you can see that she's ready. It smells good. Oh man. Oh wow. So this is awesome, man. It's like a hot broth eating out here, you know. Woo. Oh wow. It's like a camp food. This is the best. There's nothing better out there than beat this. Oh wow. Man, this is good. Oh wow, man. Woo. If the bear could smell this, they'll be jealous right now, right? Man. Woo. Oh wow. I'm so hungry. Man. I definitely hit the spot right here. Yep, definitely hit the spot. Oh man. This fire's getting hot. Okay. Whew. It's like hot. Oh, that's spicy. Really spicy. That's really good. Heck yeah. Well, you guys should try this. Just cook this outside and camping in the cold. Man, it's tastes different, bro. Man, that's delicious. Can't tell how good this is. It is delicious. Well, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up. I'll go ahead and catch with y'all later. As you can see, I got my ACV running right now and turn the heater on. I'm gonna do that. Keep the let's try to keep the engine warm and keep the batteries up in charge. You know, because right outside it's freezing out there. So it's gonna be all right in here. I've got the heater right there going, if you can see it. So I got everything set up there, the heater and the portable power. So I got a backup power. So yeah, it's gonna be all right. It's gonna be warm and comfy in here, and I'm gonna sit back and I'll go ahead and lay down and enjoy my evening. And this is my pillow. It's my pillow. Oh yeah, this is great. Yeah, this is awesome. So this is comfy. Yeah, liking it. So said I'm gonna here and chill out for a little bit and, before I go to bed. So try to stay warm. I get up early in the morning. So that being said, man, I want to thank you guys for watching this channel, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see y'all later.